Did you know that Bruce Lee's excellent martial arts skills could be partly attributed to his personality type? One of the first American to go to space, Alan Shepard's thirst for pushing boundaries. ISTP easily finds solutions to problems in society because they are observant, focused, resourceful, and risk-takers. Let us tell you more. Number 5. Focus on the present. First, ISTP personality traits make them some of its leading brains and hands. They possess an extroverted sensing function that makes them appreciate the present. They are not opposed to order, but a strict and inflexible schedule might affect their performance. They enjoy living in the moment and making the best of situations in the present. Hence, they excel at finding solutions to problems in society. The preference to draw out the best of every moment helps them focus on the matters arising and quickly find practical means. Mind you, it does not take much for an ISTP to commit to a situation in the present and fully solve it in no time. They are naturally resourceful. An ISTP can handle anything from a gun to flying a plane without prior training. It is not advisable, but they have a natural competence with tools and equipment. We will tell you more in a bit. Number 4. Introverted observation. How are they finding all the solutions? They are paying attention. The ISTP is introverted and likes to keep to themselves. That is an attractive trait to some, while others find it rude. Yet, they cannot help it. It sums up the ISTP strengths and weaknesses. Dealing with information and keeping to oneself means there are plenty of things they are silently observing. As they like fairness and being a helping hand, they can then jump in and offer assistance. All their choices, including solutions they formulate for problems, are thoroughly thought through. They might be spontaneous and come off as haphazard, yet they are dominant in producing results. Moreover, their solutions are not suggestions either. They will help you execute these solutions in the community. They are often hidden in the background to avoid the limelight and use their hands to resolve the issues. While they are not excellent team players because they like to work independently, they do not mind someone else being the face of the project. Number 3. Natural resourcefulness. What is an ISTP, if not a logical handyman with a knack for solving problems? Please think of the best hands-on people in the world, and they fall under the ISTP umbrella. ISTPs can understand the abstract if it entails dismantling the concept and creating a real opportunity. They want to do things with their hands and are wildly competent. Aside from their sheer competence, they are daring. Being naturally good at something makes you explore all your curiosity and subject yourself to discover how much you can take on, societal problems included. We will share more on the risk-taking side shortly. This makes their choice to solve problems in society an easy ride. They have what it takes to do whatever they set out to resolve. To illustrate, Bruce Lee is a martial artist and actor. Watching him on the screens makes you realize how competent he is without editing gimmicks. We can say it for Clint Eastwood in his heydays. These two are excellent examples of ISTPs in their natural element. Number 2. Objective approach. Before we get into the next point, how about you objectively subscribe to our channel for more information on MBTI types? We could solve a problem in society together. Now, when making decisions, the ISTP does not involve personal feelings. ISTPs emphasize logic and being able to prove an idea over going with gut feeling. Their gut feeling leads them to an idea, but it does not manifest until they have entirely processed it and have found the best way to go about it rationally. For instance, if the ISTP cannot explain it to you, they will never go ahead with the idea. They do not have to be astronaut Alan Shepard, another ISTP, but they will be remarkable at something before you hear about it. They are objective with their observations, which makes it easier for them to find solutions. They do not value emotions or personal gain over collective harmony. They believe in justice and fairness rather than favoring one group over the other. Consequently, their solutions to problems are more unbiased and favorable to the masses and society. Share with us in the comments if you have a personal relationship with someone who has this level of integrity with everything. Number 1. Risk-taking tendencies. ISTPs have an appetite for risky situations. They are predominantly in games like racing, surfing, skydiving, and skating. This is due to their curious perceiving functions. They focus on the thrill and learning experience over the fearful nature of their interests. However, if someone can be calculative enough to go after the scariest things, they can be unfazed about standing up for something they believe in. Being a risk-taker means being confident about standing alone in your conviction. Furthermore, the opposition will come regardless of the path you take. Being stubborn, a trait of ISTPs, can guarantee that you can stand on your own terms and do whatever pleases you. Not everyone wants problems solved. Some people benefit from the society facing things from high crime rates, drug epidemics, or natural disasters. Note, no one has mentioned, for instance, the New Jersey governor using Hurricane Sandy relief funds to produce ads starring his family, or the New Orleans mayor convicted of accepting bribes to rebuild a Hurricane Katrina-destroyed city. We are only speaking in general terms of people who benefit from others' misfortune, ISTPs excluded. Since you enjoyed this so much, here is a chance for you to catch up with the other competent enterprising people on the MBTI list. Our next video is on why Warren Buffett was a great public speaker. ENTJ's speaking ability.